When a customer calls Accutemp, they can expect outstanding customer service with prompt response from not only our customer service department, but from our service employees. We're fully staffed with 20 crews. We can promptly handle your service or installation generally in the same day that you call. We have a large warehouse fully stocked with furnaces and air conditioners to complete your installs. We also have a full line of service parts so you don't have to wait on the repairs. We have long-term employees that can provide the best services because they've been here for a long time. We do a thorough background check on all of our employees. If you want honest, reliable, 24/7 service, you need to call Accutemp.